All right, so we got something a little bit different for you today. No, that does not mean we work on Ford stuff. This is a very good customer of ours. We've done probably 3 of his cars: C7, Z06, ZL1, Cadillac he has. He just bought this new Raptor and just wants to put an axle back on it. We already ordered it, should be here. It's a AWE axle back. He knows that unfortunately these twin turbo V6s don't really sound all that great, but it is a nice exhaust system, make it sound a little bit louder, and also I think it's about 40 pounds lighter than stock. So I'm actually a pretty big fan of these things. I've always loved them. I love the older generation V8s. I wish they weren't still so expensive, but let's fire this thing up. We'll get a little before clip, then we're gonna put the exhaust on and we'll get some after. 1,200 miles. Look at all that nice carbon fiber. These things are sick. I love them. I really do. Let's see if you can hear it. Well, you can't really hear the turbos, but I think you will after we're done. Super quiet. So yeah, once again, that does not mean we're gonna work on your Ford. We're not gonna tune this. We don't do any tuning on Ford, Dodge, anything like that. This is just a favor for a very, very good customer of ours. We always like to help out our previous customers. Look at that, 10-speed, insane. I know Matt likes these trucks too.
Yes, badass.
Isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, I know they sound decent stock, and anytime you do stuff to them, they kind of get. It's like the ATS-Vs; they just get raspy and.
My buddy just bought a EcoBoost, and he's been doing a bunch of research on how to get them to sound really good.
Yeah.
And catless downpipes with stock exhaust seems to be
The ticket.
Yeah, sound pretty cool. But we'll see what this thing sounds like. The cat back.
Yeah, I think so. Their system's really, really nice.
That's all AWE. I thought it was something for your car.
Yeah. No.
Alright, so we got cat back.
So Eric's getting the stock exhaust down. Stock exhaust. Here's the one. Stock versus. Alright, let's take a look here underneath. Eric's got it all wiped down, all connected up. It's really good. AWE system. Now it does remove quite a bit of weight. I believe 41 pounds is what we were told. It looks good though.
Yeah, it turned out nice. Turned out really nice.
You ready to fire this bad boy up?
Yes, I am. It is ready to be fired.
So there's your connection in the old system right here. Basically just from the downpipes. It still has, obviously still has cats and everything, but
You might see it do its thing when I start it.
what, get lower?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll try to film it. Good to go. good.
Doesn't sound too bad.
It sounds a lot bassier than I thought it would. Little crackles and pops. Burn off some of that coating.
I'm gonna put it in reverse. It might do its thing.
All right. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Whoa. Give me a couple little more crackles and pops here. I think it sounds pretty good.
There's a rev limiter on it, so don't let you get too crazy.
Yeah, we're not. I mean, it's still semi-cold.
Yeah, I think it sounds good.
Yeah.
I didn't have